the Supreme Court of the Philippines, here's the latest. The Supreme Court has ruled that the Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, can hold special elections to fill vacant congressional seats even without a resolution from Congress. In a decision written by Associate Justice Ramon Paul Hernando, the SC en banc dismissed the petition filed by Elroy John Hagedorn to compel the House of Representatives to officially declare a vacancy in the 3rd Legislative District of Palawan and call for a special election. The seat became vacant after Representative Edward Hagedorn, who was elected in 2022, passed away on October 3, 2023. Although the May 2025 elections made Elroy's petition moot, the SC still reviewed the case and ruled that Congress cannot be forced to pass a resolution certifying the vacancy and calling a special election, as this requirement was removed by a later law, Republic Act No. 7166. If a seat becomes vacant at least 1 year before the end of the term, COMELEC must conduct a special election within 60 to 90 days from such vacancy. In another decision, the SC has reiterated that hiding one's homosexuality from a spouse can be considered fraud and may be used as a ground to annul a marriage. The SC 2nd Division, through Associate Justice Antonio Co. Jr., annulled the marriage of a woman whose husband concealed his homosexuality before they got married. The SC ruled that the woman's consent to the marriage was obtained through fraud, and that the marriage must be annulled on the ground of fraudulent concealment of sexuality, following Article 45, Paragraph 3, in relation to Article 46, Paragraph 4 of the Family Code. It found that the husband intentionally hid his homosexuality to persuade the woman to stay and marry him. In another case, the SC has dismissed a court sheriff who was found guilty of accepting money in connection with a drug case. In a per curiam decision, the SC en banc dismissed Dwight Aldwin Geronimo, Sheriff 4 of Branch 121 Regional Trial Court, Imus City, Cavite, revoking all his retirement benefits and permanently banning him from government employment. Under Section 1 Canon 1 of the Code of Conduct for Court Personnel should not use their position for personal gain. Section 2 of the same canon forbids them from accepting gifts that could influence their official actions. Meanwhile, on Tuesday, the Office of the 2025 Shari'ah Special Bar Examinations, or SSBE Chairperson, Associate Justice Antonio Co. Jr., announced that the list of successful 2025 SSBE examinees will be officially released on July 22, 2025, while the oath-taking and roll-signing ceremonies for the successful SSBE examinees will be held on August 6, 2025 at the Manila Hotel. Further details may be found at the 2025 SSBE notice dated July 15, 2025. The 2025 SSBE was held on May 25 and 28, 2025. On Thursday, the Supreme Court confirmed that on July 16, 2025, several branches of the Pasig Regional Trial Court, or RTC, received email messages containing death threats directed at unnamed judges. Pasig RTC followed standard security protocols to secure the safety of judges, court personnel, court users, and the public. The SC, through the Office of the Judiciary Marshals, swiftly launched an investigation in coordination with the Philippine National Police Anti-Cybercrime Group and the National Bureau of Investigation Anti-Cybercrime Division. Finally, on Tuesday, the SC has announced a design competition to create the official seal of trial courts in the Philippines. This competition aims to develop a unified and meaningful seal that will represent the identity of all first and second level courts and distinguish them from other courts in the judiciary. The contest is open to all. Entries must be sent by email to sealdesign@judiciary.gov.ph. Deadline is on August 15, 2025. You are now up to date with the Philippines Supreme Court. I am Tiffany Double Supreme Court Information Officer.